it's me, Maria. And welcome to my channel. My hair is heavily bleached. I recently retouched my roots and I posted a video doing that. I attempted toning it down because it was so yellow. 2 weeks ago, I actually colored my hair with Pearl Ultra Lightning 1008 or 1008, whatever you call it. I did not bother to film it because I knew that the bleach color would come out anyway.
Wow!
So today, I am going to color my hair again. I'm using this Vitality 8/1, also known as Light Ash Blonde. Going to follow the instructions and it's literally inside the carton. So there's a direction here, how you will mix it, how do you want the shade to be? Do you want it to be lighter or do you want it to be darker? I want this color to lighten up to 3 shades. That's why I'm going to mix 75 mils of 30 volume 9% developer. I am super annoyed with this section here. As you can see, this is the part, both sides. This part here is the lightest. My hair is not evenly colored. I'm gonna try to even it by leaving it out in the first application. If your hair's not like this, then you don't need to follow that. You can actually just color straight away. In my case, it's quite tricky. Let's start. For the materials, I have here a mixing bowl, a comb, some clips, and hair coloring brush. We can see here that the packaging is complete with all the directions and precautions. This carton includes 2 sachets of protector oil and we will add one for each mixture. I cut the carton to read more instructions and also there's a direction on how to perform patch test to make sure you are not allergic to the product. Pour 75 ml of developer in the bowl and add half tube of color cream, then mix it with the brush. Once it's all mixed, add 1 sachet of protector oil. I wear a cape, then parted my hair in half. I also clip it, leaving a little bit each sides. Don't forget to wear gloves. I started from the bottom in my first application. I applied a little bit at a time, then rub it with my hands. I make sure to spread the color and I tried to avoid the lightest areas. I am very lucky to have thick hair. I really love it. Back in the Philippines though, it's quite hard to handle because of humidity. I had to tie my hair all the time and when I got tired of doing it, I just chopped it really short. My advice when you want to color your own hair is only do it if you are prepared whatever the result would be. And always read the directions and follow the measurements of the product. It can be really challenging, especially if you have thick hair like mine. But when you do it more often, you'll eventually get used to it. I just keep coloring the bottom of my hair for my first application. If your hair is thinner, then you can use 75 ml of developer per half tube of cream. Follow the same preparation I did, but you can color your entire hair in the first application and leave the half tube when it's time to retouch in 4 or 6 weeks. I'm only using the whole tube today because I need to correct the color and hopefully I will succeed. I just continue doing the same to the sections of my hair until I done all of it. I also have to warn you about the strong smell. I needed to open the door because the smell was too strong. This is a big work and it really takes time. I just learned to enjoy doing this and it suddenly became my hobby. By the way, My other hobbies are singing and baking. Now, it's very clear that it's not even here, so I'm gonna do my best not to include the lightest hair strands while applying the color. May I just say, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching this video. I am going to post more contents about hair and makeup in the future, and I'm looking forward to explore and learn more. My good friend sent me some reading materials, and I am so excited to share what I've learned. Thank you so much, Gracie. I'm going to combine my old and new knowledge, and I'm so excited to see how far can I go. Now, I also applied a little bit on the roots at the very top so it can match the bottom. I did the back of my head as well. The first application is done, so now I'm going to wait 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to apply my second and last mixture. 15 minutes later, look at that. Interesting. So I'm doing the same procedure, mixing 75 ml of developer with the half tube cream. Then when it's all combined, I added the protector oil. I combed my hair to make sure it's not tangled before applying the color. This time, I am starting from the top. I focused on the lightest areas, and I'm crossing my fingers, my toes, my legs, and everything I can cross, hoping that I'm doing the right thing. I have to study more about hair coloring, but I assume that this is the way, and there's no harm for me because I love exploring. What color do you think should I do next? Leave a comment below, and let's see if I can make it. There's a lot of selection in the market, but I'm thinking maybe red. I tried orange before, and it was really fun. I look like a burning matchstick. I might have underestimated the thickness of my hair because I put a lot and almost ran out of my coloring mixture. But I managed to spread it all, and I anticipate that my strategy worked. Second and last application is done. I'm gonna leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll rinse it. I'm just going to rinse and then I'll come back. Ooh. That looks alright. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair and let's see the final result. I love it. I love it so much. Let's see with the ring light on. This side here is still a bummer. This is still a bit annoying. Just a little bit, you see. It's okay because eventually it will fade, and before you know it, it's time for me to retouch again. Nice. Alright. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!